Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone is unlocked, charged, and you know where Settings is. Open Settings and go directly to Accessibility or Display. This is where Zoom and Magnifier live. Once there, toggle off Zoom or Magnifier. On some phones, this is labeled Screen Zoom or Smart View. Try a two-finger pinch on the home screen to see if scaling responds. If gestures work now, proceed. If not, keep settings open for deeper adjustments. Now adjust the detailed display controls. Open display settings and reset display size and font size to default or recommended values. Make sure one-handed mode, guided access, or developer display overrides are off. These can lock zoom levels. If your phone has a gesture sensitivity setting, lower it slightly so accidental zooms stop. Once done, restart your phone so the system applies scaling consistently. This often clears partial zoom artifacts and restores touch accuracy across apps. Finish by isolating stubborn cases. Force close any app that still looks zoomed and clear its cache. Some apps store display preferences. If the problem persists system-wide, check for an OS update and install it, then boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. Make sure to back up your data before more drastic measures. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset as a last resort, and after resetting, verify accessibility settings immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.